Hey guys, it's Aubrey
and Tara, and welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be making Chicken Tikka Masala. Chicken Tikka Masala is a very popular Indian dish and it is so good.
You guys are gonna love it.
So without further ado, let's get started.
So first we're going to make a quick curry paste, which makes making the Chicken Tikka Masala super simple. In a blender or food processor, add in 7 garlic cloves, 1 medium onion that's quartered, a 2-inch knob or piece of freshly peeled ginger, 3 tablespoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 2 teaspoons of ground paprika for color, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And blend that until it's as smooth as possible. Okay, so the reason why we make the curry paste is because that way all the spices are all together, so that way you don't have to individually add in all the spices. Once it's done blending, it should kind of look like a salsa. And there are going to be some chunks left in the curry paste, but that's normal. Next, we're going to marinate the chicken in yogurt, which is also really easy. In a large bowl, whisk together 3/4 cups of plain whole milk yogurt and 3 tablespoons of the curry paste. Give that a quick whisk and add in 2 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. So for this recipe, chicken breasts will also work, but we just prefer using chicken thighs. It's really just a matter of preference, so use whatever you like. So mix that all together until the chicken is fully coated. Marinating the chicken in yogurt will make the chicken extra tender. Cover the bowl with saran wrap and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour to overnight. Next, heat a large skillet over medium heat and add in your marinated chicken. Be sure to only add in the chicken, not the yogurt mixture. Let that cook for 10 minutes, then flip and let it cook for another 10 minutes on the other side. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and transfer it to a plate. In the same pan, no need to wash it, add in the remaining curry paste and let that cook for 1 minute. Then pour in 2 cans that are each 15 ounces of tomato sauce along with 3/4 cups of heavy cream. Some recipes use coconut cream, so if you want to try that, you can try using that, but we haven't tried it, so we're just going to stick with heavy cream. As you can see, after adding in the cream, the sauce turns its signature orange color. But we wanted it a little brighter, so we added in 1 tablespoon of ground paprika. Now add the chicken back into the sauce and let that simmer for 10 minutes. To serve, start off with a couple of spoons of cooked basmati rice, then top with a chicken tikka masala, and optionally serve with naan and chopped cilantro for the best tikka masala you'll ever have.
If you guys enjoy going to an Indian restaurant for dinner, you should try making this at home. It is so much fun and so delicious.
And be sure to check out our naan recipe.
Because it is so fluffy and it's really the best. We tested it a lot.
And we'll be sure to link it in the description box.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up because it helps our channel, and subscribe down below. And we will see you next week.
Bye!